Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two top-notch drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720G GPS drone, and on the right, the IDEA Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the drone in the wallet. The Holy Stone HS720G will set you back a cool $299. Ouch! That's like buying a small island in the Pacific. On the flip side, the IDEA drone is a mere $89. Now, that's the kind of price that makes your wallet do a happy dance. But remember, folks, you get what you pay for, so let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First up, camera quality. The Holy Stone boasts a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal. It's like having a mini James Cameron up in the sky, capturing stunning, stable footage. Reviewers love the smooth photos and videos, particularly praising the built-in remote ID and easy registration process. Meanwhile, the IDEA drone also flaunts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor and a 90 degrees FOV. It's like it's saying, I see you, and I raise you a wider field of view. Reviewers appreciate the good camera quality, though some have faced issues like scratched lenses and faulty obstacle avoidance. But wait, there's more. IDEA has 5 GHz FPV real-time transmission for smooth and stable videos. It's like having butter-smooth footage on toast. Now, let's talk about flight features. The Holy Stone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, with features like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's practically your personal aerial butler. Plus, it has a max battery life of 26 minutes and can fly up to 999 meters. That's almost a kilometer, folks. You could spy on your neighbors. Not that we endorse that, of course. Reviewers have praised its stability and ease of use, especially in windy conditions. On the flip side, the IDEA drone comes loaded with optical flow positioning, headless mode, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It's like having a drone with spidey senses. With a max speed of 40 kilometers per hour, you might just win your next drone race. And let's not forget the VR function in the app. It's like stepping into the Matrix, but with less Keanu Reeves and more fun. However, some users have faced issues with its performance and object avoidance. Are you a newbie who crashes drones into trees more than you'd like to admit? The Holy Stone has got your back with multiple novice-friendly functions, like automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. It's like having training wheels for your drone. Reviewers particularly appreciate the ease of setup and the intuitive controls, making it perfect for beginners. IDEA, not to be outdone, also caters to beginners with one-button takeoff and landing, gesture control, and 3 speed modes. It's practically begging you to fly it, even if you're the kind of person who loses their keys daily. Reviewers have noted its stability and ease of use, but some faced issues like losing control at 30 feet and short battery life. When it comes to build and portability, the Holy Stone is a traveler's dream. Weighing less than a can of Coke, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like having a drone that's also a gym bro, light, but packs a punch. Reviewers praise its sturdy build quality and portability. IDEA isn't far behind, with its foldable design and carrying case. It's like having a drone that's always ready for a road trip. Plus, it comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. It's like having a second wind without the coffee. However, Some users have reported issues like broken legs and faulty batteries. Overall, the Holystone HS720G GPS drone is highly praised for its stability, camera quality, and beginner-friendly features, making it a great value for its price. On the other hand, the IDEA Brushless Motor Drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and feature set, though some users have faced issues with durability and performance. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS720G GPS drone and the IDEA Brushless Motor Drone, two sky-high contenders bringing their A-game. Whether you're looking for a high-tech, feature-packed drone or a budget-friendly flying companion, drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd take on your next adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun and informative product comparison. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.